Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to share this product with you guys. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's actually called Resin Clay. It's from Japan. So I don't really know what all these words and stuff is, but it's resin clay. So I know a lot of you guys are scared to use resin, and you don't want to be mixing it up in all these different colors and everything. So when I saw this, I thought that I should share it with you guys. So basically how this works is that it comes in all these colors, and it's flexible. But how you activate it is by putting it in hot water. This is basically, it's moldable, so you can mold it into any shape that you want. And I'm going to show that to you guys. Okay, I'm kind of going to do this video in a couple of steps. So I'm showing you guys the product here now, and then when I come back, I'm going to show you the next step on how to turn this into candy, jelly beans, gummy worms, gummy bears. We just going to try a whole bunch of different stuff. I haven't used it yet, as you can tell. It's new. I have not used it, so this is going to be my first time using it as well. So we will be learning together, okay guys? So I'm going to go heat up my water so we can go on and make some candies. I have several molds here. Got some gummy bears. I got some stars and circles, but these got like faces on the inside, little impressions. I got the mini donut mold. I got a gummy worm mold. And we just gonna try it and see how it goes, right? So let me go get my warm water. No, it's not warm water, it's hot water. It has to be hot so that this can melt and we can mold it and make stuff with it, okay? So let me go on get that hot water and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I got my hot water here and I'm putting it in a container. And now you're going to take your resin clay, whatever color you want. I'm going to cut it up into pieces. Now, if you have a large piece, like say you wanted to make this gummy worm, you would use the whole piece. You would just throw the whole piece in here. Let's do that. Let's throw the whole piece in there. But I also I'm going to use this gummy bear mold. The one I had before was from Michael's and it was a bit thick. So I'm going to use this one. This one came from Amazon, but I want to show you that you can cut these pieces up. You don't have to use the whole piece all up at one time. So we're going to put a piece in there of that one. And let's make a green gummy. Right? Let's just throw that in there. And you're going to need something to pick this up with. You're going to have to, move it around so the water can warm it up. Because that's what activates it, the warm water. So we're going to make a gummy bear too. So let me cut up a couple of other pieces. Because I want to make like a gummy bear that has like a couple of different colors in it. So I got a piece of yellow. Let's put another piece of, I can't even tell that's yellow or green. What color is that? Let's put some red. So just want to throw it in there, let it get warm. That water is very hot, so be careful, okay? But I just want to show you guys. And you could also mold this into like a jelly bean. Let's throw another piece in there so we could do a couple of different things. Try not to get them to touch, because once they start getting soft. Now let's try this. See, this one is already soft. You see that? Let's turn this one into a jelly bean so you can see that you can just, you don't have to make, you can make jelly beans with this. You roll it out But it's not ready, you know. I'm gonna put it back in there. So I'm gonna take this one, oops, and we're gonna squish it into here and make a gummy bear, okay? Just take it and squish it in there. Just squeeze it. Make sure you get it all in there. Squeeze it very well into the mold. I like to turn it over. Make sure I'm getting the shape. Just make sure you get it all in there. That's going to be one gummy bear right there. We're going to put it to the side and let it cool down. Right? So now we're going to try to make a gummy worm. So I'm going to take a couple of different, but we said we was going to try to make one whole gummy bear. So I'm just going to take it, squish it in there, and fill this up. If it gets cold, you could just put it back in there and warm it back up. So you see I put it in there. But now you got to let it cool completely to get back to the original state, which is this, is hard. So now we're going to put that to the side and let that cool down. Oh no, you know what? Let's make a multi-colored gummy worm. So we're going to take a little bit of that one. And we're going to take a little bit of this one. And just go in there. And we're going to take some of this. I should have made, didn't I make blue? This don't even really look blue, do it? I don't know, it's hard to differentiate the colors once they start getting warm. Okay, so we're going to see how this looks once it thaws out. Right? Let's make a little donut. So you take it and you roll it. Now you gotta kind of work fast, cause especially like I got my air conditioner on, so I gotta work fast because it's cool in here. So it's just like hello, setting up pretty fast. So we're gonna put that one in there, and we'll come back and see how that came out. I think I bent up the middle part, but we're gonna put that to the side. And then you see how translucent this got? Just roll it into a jelly bean. Just roll it. Make sure you get your little edges. And look, you got a jelly bean. Or you can roll it round if you want a round jelly bean. Look. Right? So I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to make these jelly beans too. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial, because I know some of you guys are really not into using the resin. You're scared of the fumes and stuff like that. Let's make a round candy. Let's put this one in here and make a round candy, so you guys can see how cute these are. Right? And I'm just going to take this one and mix it up a little bit, and we're gonna make like a, see if we make it like into a multicolored type candy. Let's make another gummy bear real quick. Let's make another gummy bear, so you guys can see how fun this is and how easy it is to use. Okay, so we already made, this one is hard, so let's take it out and see. Look. See your gummy bear? Right? I don't know if the worm is ready. Let's see if the worm is ready. It seems to set up pretty easy and fast. Oh yeah, the worm. See the gummy worm? Let's look at this one. I want to see this one. Look at your multicolor gummy bear. Why I keep saying gummy bear? Gummy worm. This sets up pretty easy, pretty fast. So let's see this one. You got your round candy. See the star. You got your star. Okay, let's see what another gummy bear here. And you got your You know, you could put less. I'm just doing it really quickly just to show you guys how fun this resin clay is. So I'm gonna put all the candy in my hand so you can see how the candy came out. You got some gummy bears, a round candy, you got a jelly bean. All right, let's put the jelly bean over here. Guys, you see how cute these candies came out? So if you're not into resin, or if you want to make some cute, realistic looking gummy bears or jelly beans, or if you want to make some of these gummy worms, before I call it a gummy bear again, you know, you could get you some of this. You can coat it with fake sugar if you want to make it a sour gummy. There's options. You can use this on any mold you have. Just gotta work pretty fast, and they'll keep the shape. Now, if you don't want these any, you know, the more you throw it in the warm water, the less it's gonna take its shape. So, like, if you wanted to, you could put these back in the warm water and reshape them. But after a while, it's not gonna work, okay? Because it's not made to, you know, work over and over and over. So guys, I just wanted to bring this to you so you can see how cute. You have other options out there for making candy if you want to make your candy look realistic like this. I will post a link to this, what is it called again? To this resin clay. It's called resin clay. I will post a link underneath the video. Click on see more. If you don't see any information, you always click on see more, and all the information is going to come up. The link to the Amazon shop is going to come up, and you could order this. Now, this is around $13.99 or something like that for this. But you see, I didn't use up all the candy, and I made some, you know, I didn't use up all the resin, was what I'm trying to say. So you can make you some fake resin candy. Is another option for you, okay? So guys, until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on crafting. There's so many things out in the world to craft, and so many new things to come about. So don't give up. If you feel like you can't craft, or you're too scared to craft, just start. Just go for it. You know, don't be afraid. If you make a mistake, you start over. I've made tons, hundreds of mistakes. Everything I do does not come out nice, and sometimes I show you guys that, because that's how it is. It's just how it is. Everything is not about perfection. You know what it's about? About you having fun, about you enjoying yourself, about the relaxation that crafting brings to you, how it puts you in a place that makes you feel happy. That's what it's about. So don't give up. Keep on trying. If it doesn't work the first time, you try again. Don't give up, okay? So I'll talk to you guys later. God bless you. Bye.